कुसमणे केप्यां शेनवारा सेलिब्रिटीची गाडी आनी स्कूटरी मदीं जाल्ल्या अपघाता उपरांत गोंयभर बोवाळ. बापूय आनी पूत स्कूटरीर दोतोरागेर वचपाक वाटेर आशिल्ले. कुसमण्या रस्त्यार फुल स्पीडीन रॉंग सायडींतल्यान येवपी मोटारीचो तांकां नेटान धपको. अपघातांत बापायच्या पांयाक गंभीर दुखापत. गाडयेंत एक्टर अश्विन मुश्रन आनी ताची फामील आशिल्ली. गाडी तांचो ड्रायव्हर चलयतालो. चूक मागून जखमी जाल्ल्या मनशाक मदत करपाचें सोडून अश्विन आनी ताची बायल थळाव्यांकडेन झगडून ड्रायव्हराक थंयच सांडून दुसऱ्या गाडयेंत बसून फरार जाली. थळावे लोक तिडकले. हो व्हिडिओ पळयात.
Why you talk, no? Why you're not a man? You're not a man? Then you talk, no? Why you're putting your wife in front? Huh? No. Yeah, what? You're gonna hit me? You're gonna hit me? Really start something with me? You're gonna hit me?
He's trying to do that.
I'm not gonna hit anybody. You look like you're gonna do that. You wanna start something with me? You are trying to hit people by driving like this. And on top you are raising your voice and shouting to people. That is my house. That is my house. You have no right to tell me, no? Shooting guard.
No, thanks. Yeah,
We want to help them. We want to help them.
number plate just put down.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.